The first one is the shortest flat end and very safe operation thanks to ideal torque transmission and roll synchronization. Particularly on a 3-roll machine, it is very important to hold as much grip as possible on the plate. Since Davi solution has a motorized top and side roll as a standard feature, we call it all rolls drive technology, this grants the optimum torque transmission to the plate and distribution between hydraulic motors. Thanks to this system, we have a few advantages. You don't need to install any mechanical brake. The speed of the rolls is automatically and hydraulically synchronized, and there is no risk of plate slippage or falling during pre-bending. Finally, the plate can always be positioned at the tangent point to achieve this shortest flat end you can get with an MAV machine.